Hi guys, I would like to show you my newest motorized thermal glider. It is almost ready to fly, just I have to wait a battery. I ordered 2 cells LiPo and 3 cells LiPo, so I will test them for this glider. It is a door for battery. Under the wing there is a large place to take a battery, and in the nose there is some place for 2 servos, an ESC and a receiver, and on the nose there is a brushless motor. So and I can use a voltage down step module to use this glider with this 2 cell battery without prop to test its gliding performance. So I use a plus cable to the RX. Let's see how it can work. I could put some material to fixing the battery, but it cannot necessary now. I use an Air 168 number receiver from Radio Master.
Welcome to OpenTX. Cruise.
So guys, I use MG90S servos, Metal Gear servos. I think they are very strong, and it's very suitable for this construction. So I will test this glider soon. maybe no evening. I do some test flight. Before I take the motor and prop, I tested it, and this glider flies very nice. but the leading edge I take some bamboo stick to be reinforcement the LA. So, and as you can see, there are some wing tip that you can take this place. So this glider is large enough for my room. So this glider ready to
telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
Ready to test fly. Thank you.